Hello and welcome to this job training course, which is the complete IT Systems Administrator job training course, delivered by myself, Collins Kidisu. I've been on this training course series for the past couple of years, and we've gotten to the stage where we need to now show people how to become an IT system administrator. This course is ideally for people who are already in the professional space of IT tech support, and they're looking into upskilling and upgrading their skills so that they can earn higher salaries in the space of IT support. So normally when you start as an IT support specialist or a technician or an analyst, what you want to aim for is to go up the ladder. So you want to go above level 1 and level 2 support. You want to now be involved in setting up the systems. So this course is going to give you the hands-on practical skills on how to become a system administrator or sysadmin. Anyone who is also interested in IT and they feel like they already have some bit of knowledge and they just want to dive in deep and get their feet wet, they can also take this course. Just a bit of context. Let me just show you what we're looking about when we talk about IT system administrator. So I have opened up some links to show you if you wanted to see what entails the job role as a system administrator. So I'm in my LinkedIn job page here and I have searched some job roles at the moment. This is Dublin and we have a couple of roles here. I have this one open called system administrator with a company called Nostra, and it's a mid-senior level and it's an IT services and IT consulting company, and so far about 92 applicants have applied and it was posted about 5 months ago. So when you look at the job description, you realize that it has a bit of information about here and there, which has a mix of level 1 and level 2 stuff. But what we want to focus on is what are the system administrator roles that we will be exploring in this course. So the job description, for instance, whenever I'm analyzing job descriptions, I normally just pay attention to what are the required skills. So for this job, you're required to have at least 3 years experience as an IT engineer. And the skills involved, you need to have office skills. You need to be proficient with Windows 10, Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, firewall switches, access points, and a whole lot of other things. Now, as a system administrator, for you to be able to demonstrate or for you to be able to execute your role, there are certain things that you need to understand and know how to configure, how to manage, how to set up, and how to provide a high level of support for. So assuming I was to apply for this job role, some of the interview questions would be bordered around things to do with Windows Server, Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, virtualization, Office 365 administration, and a whole lot of other things. So this is just to give you an overview of some of the things that we'll be covering from a practical point of view in this course. Now, if this is a higher level course for you and you're wondering, maybe you want to dial it down a bit, you're only new to the whole IT tech space and you want to start from afresh, I have already put out a course about a year ago on how to get into tech support level 1, which is entry level. I'm just going to highlight that, for instance. So if you look at this job, for instance, as an IT support entry level, some of the things that you would have to be familiar with is things to do with hardware, software, computer network, Active Directory, how to go about, when you're a new employee in an IT department, some of the queries that you'll be answering, some of the calls that will be coming into your help desk, some of the tickets that you'll be responding to. These are some of the contents that you need to learn the practical skills for. So if you feel the other course, which I am going to be talking about soon, is a higher level, you might just go into Udemy and find this entry-level job training course and start from there. And when you're done with this, you can then proceed to the sysadmin training. So without much further ado, we're going to jump right into understanding what are some of the requirements that we need to learn this course, since it is a practical course. I'll see you in the next section. Thanks.